Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to make a LinkedIn profile private. Why would you want to know how to make a LinkedIn profile private? Well, maybe it is your first time using LinkedIn and not sure how to make a LinkedIn profile private. So today I am going to show you how to make a LinkedIn profile private. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Making a LinkedIn profile private is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will make LinkedIn profile private. First of all, open LinkedIn app in your mobile phone. Now here is my LinkedIn home screen. Now click on your profile icon in the left top corner and then click on settings in the bottom of this page. Now in this new screen, click on visibility and then click on edit your public profile. Now scroll down this page and then in edit visibility section, just click on toggle button next to your profile public visibility to turn it off and your LinkedIn profile has been private. So there you go. If you were wondering how to make LinkedIn profile private, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.